Hey guys, welcome back to Workshop Wednesday. My name is CJ and I'm the creative director at FETs. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys a little trick. It's not really a trick, it's more of a hack. In order to save time when you have to recreate shirts. Now, as I said in a previous video, I do get a lot of people that send me shirts to recreate. So I'm going to show you guys kind of how I save a little bit of time when I have to recreate shirts. So guys, here's a shirt that was sent to me. So what I'm going to do is just going to show you a quick way. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, but I like to at least try. So I'm going to go to my downloads. It's right here. And I'm going to open the shirt. And you see how it's pretty small, so let me just zoom in a little bit. One hack that I like to at least try so it'll save me a little time. So I'll go over to the left. If you use Photoshop, go to the left, I'll use my magic wand. And I'll click on the black, and then I'll click similar. And I'll cut out all of the black. And let me add just another layer so you guys can see. And I'll make that kind of like, let's make it red. Okay, let's make it red. Or whatever color that is. Alright, so you see how I took out most of the black? And that's one of the easiest ways I do it. And of course, let me cut out everything. Let me zoom out so I can cut everything out. Alright, so you see how simple and easy that was? Alright, so we see we do have a few little black spots in there. So all we have to do is use our magic wand again and just kind of cut out the black around it. Because we're going to print this to a shirt, right? Alright, you have the black here. And that's mostly where the black was. Okay, so... oh, no, I see one right there. Okay. So once we took out the black, we can like overlay it with the... we can actually overlay it with the same color, which is white. And you see, it's pretty simple as well. And then transfer it to wherever I'm going to cut it from. If you have the ability to just cut out something from a shirt, from an image that someone sent you, then hey, I mean, why not? It definitely saves a lot of time. But if you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Please follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our channel. And you can even call, text, email with any questions that you might have. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you have any hacks that you'd like to share as well, feel free to comment below. But thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll see you next week for another episode of Workshop Wednesday. Thank you for watching.